How can I lose 20 pounds in a month? Hey there, if you're looking to lose 20 pounds in just 1 month, you're in the right place. But let's be real, this isn't about quick fixes or magic pills. It takes the right plan, dedication, and smart strategies to make it happen in a healthy way. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what you need to do, step by step, to shed that weight fast while keeping your body strong and energized. Stick around because I've got some game-changing tips that will make this journey easier. Let's dive in. First things first, before we even talk about food or workouts, you need a solid game plan. Losing 20 pounds in a month means dropping about 5 pounds per week, which is ambitious but doable if you stay consistent. Track your progress. Take a starting weight, snap progress pictures, and use a body measuring tape. The scale isn't the only way to measure success. Set daily goals. Instead of focusing on the big number, break it down. Aim for a calorie deficit of around 1,000 to 1,200 calories per day through diet and exercise. Keeping yourself accountable is key, and if you need extra help, I've dropped a link in the description to some of my favorite weight loss supplements. Go check them out. Alright, now let's talk about what's on your plate. To lose weight fast, you need to eat smarter, not starve yourself. Here's the breakdown. High-protein meals. Protein keeps you full and boosts metabolism. Think lean meats, eggs, and tofu. Low-carb, high-fiber ditch refined carbs like white bread and pasta. Instead, go for leafy greens, cruciferous veggies, and whole grains in moderation. Cut out sugar and processed junk. This is a must. Hidden sugars in drinks and snacks can sabotage your progress. Hydration is everything. Drink at least half your body weight in ounces of water daily to flush toxins and curb cravings. I've linked a smoothie diet plan in the description to make it super easy for you. Be sure to grab it. Now let's get moving. Losing weight fast means combining strength training with cardio for maximum fat burn. Strength training 3 to 4 times a week. Lifting weights builds muscle, which helps burn fat even when you're resting. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups. Height workouts 3 to 5 times a week. High-intensity interval training is a secret weapon for fat loss. 20 to 30 minutes of explosive movements like burpees, sprints, and jump squats will torch calories. Daily movement. Walk at least 10,000 steps a day. It sounds simple, but it makes a huge difference. You don't need a fancy gym membership, just consistency. If you need a structured workout plan, I've linked my top recommendations below. Here's something most people overlook. Your body won't drop weight efficiently if you're not getting enough sleep or if you're super stressed. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Sleep regulates hunger hormones. Lack of sleep makes you crave junk food like crazy. Manage stress. High stress equals high cortisol levels, which can slow weight loss. Try meditation, journaling, or even a simple evening walk to unwind. Your mental health is just as important as your diet and workouts, so don't skip this step. Okay, so you've got your plan. Now how do you stick to it? Plan your meals and workouts in advance. Don't leave it to chance. Find a support system. Join a fitness group, or get an accountability partner. Celebrate small wins. Every pound lost, every new habit formed, it all counts. And remember, this isn't just about losing weight, it's about creating a healthier, stronger you. If you want more tips, I've linked some of my favorite weight loss resources in the description. Check them out, and let's make this happen. Alright, that's your ultimate roadmap to losing 20 pounds in a month. Now it's time to take action. Start today, stay consistent, and trust the process. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest weight loss challenge? I'd love to help. And don't forget, check out the links in the description for meal plans, workout guides, and tools to help you on your journey. See you in the next one. Let's get to work.